So in this session, I will give you one more sample based on the JavaScript validations. First, let me explain the requirement. Let us say I am having a page with the name b.html, which is having a blood group and a text box and a submit button. Now my requirement is when the user gives a valid blood group and then clicks on submit button, then only I wanted to take this data as valid data, or otherwise in case if the blood group name is invalid, obviously I have to display an error message. Now we need to understand what kind of data is considered as valid blood group. So let me explain the requirements. In case if any blood group name is having either plus or minus character only one time, and before that plus or minus character I need one or more English alphabets. One or more alphabets. It can be any alphabet. It can be uppercase character or it can be lowercase character. Similar way, after this plus or minus symbol, I wanted to see some English alphabets. English alphabets, right? One or more. That is my requirement. So in between the one or more English alphabets and in between next set of one or more English alphabets, I wanted to see either plus symbol or minus symbol exactly for one time. Only such kind of data I wanted to consider it as valid blood group. Okay, so I believe you understood the point. Now you tell me roughly first how to achieve this. Very simple. First we need to write JavaScript function, maybe with the name function fn validate bg parenthesis. First we need to read the bg text box data, maybe where v1 is equals to document dot get element by id of maybe tbbg. You assume the text box id as a tbbg, right? Even if you want, you can directly write dot value so that the value of the text box will come into v1. Next, you must write the regular expression in the regular expression variable, and as usual you have to call not v1 dot match function, pass the regular expression variable, and in case if the v1's data is not matching to the regular expression, the execution will come into the body, you display the error message here, right? As simple as this. Now I would like to show you the same sample directly in my Visual Studio. You observe here I created JavaScript validation sample2 website, and inside this website I'll try to create a new page, new HTML page with the name b.html, and inside the body I created bg and a text box with a br tag, and as usual the submit button control. Next we need to create fn validate bg function inside the script tag. Now we need to call this function from on click event of button control. Now here first we need to get the value present in the text box. Text box id is a tbbg. Obviously I must write a document dot get element by id of the text box id and value property. After this I must create regular expression variable, write starting of the regular expression, ending of the regular expression, and in between we need to write the regular expression. Have you identified the regular expression? Right, most probably. First we need to write the regular expression for one or more alphabets. Alphabets can be any kind of alphabets, maybe lowercase alphabets, or it can be uppercase alphabets, or it can be combination. Now to achieve that we must write square bracket lowercase a to z uppercase a to z plus, right? Now immediately after this I already told you that we need either plus character or minus character exactly for one time. So we know that plus and minus characters are special characters which are present in regular expressions. In regular expressions plus and minus is having special meanings, and hence we have to write that characters in the square brackets and immediately after this either any one of this character I need it for one time, exactly for one time. Obviously I must write curly bracket 1. Immediately after this again I need English alphabets after this plus or minus characters, one or more characters. So to do this, whatever the code we have written in the left hand side, the same code I will be writing in the right hand side. And I am sorry, I missed A-Z over here, and here A-Z must be written. Okay, so how many times this A to Z or A to Z characters are required? One or more times I have written. Okay, so probably this regular expression will work as per my requirement. Now if not v1 dot match of you pass rex end open curly bracket end curly bracket. Now let me write BZE is invalid. Now I have written alert BZE is invalid inside this if condition body. Now let me test whether this code is working properly or not. I will make this page as, or I will send this b.html to the browser by clicking on view in browser. Now my b.html page will be sent to my browser, Google Chrome browser. Now let me verify whether the validations are happening properly or not. I'll give O positive. You tell me this data is valid data or invalid data? Definitely it is. So since this O positive is valid data, that is the reason why we are not getting any error. So now you observe carefully, without writing O positive or without writing O, let me click on submit button. Obviously we are getting the error message over here. So it means that my JavaScript function and regular expressions both are working properly. That's all.